back to the channel. So today what I got for you is I got a little bit of video from the 6x6 class at our last competition last week. So I got two clips, one of Mike Place. He's actually in competition with his TRX6. This is one of the harder courses and harder sections. And then I also have Joe Collins, aka Exocaged RC. He had already done his competition runs and he was coming back because this was a hard section, sort of play around with it. So it's sort of just, freebie there. And then I'm gonna throw in some clips of my Traxxas Maxx. I got to do a little playtime after competition was over, doing some little bit of jumping, just wide open throttles and some flips and stuff. So hope you enjoy that.
Oh, that's nice. Still got the bill. You'll love it. Dude, Mike, you're awesome. That was the biggest killer, man. You're awesome, Mike. No, man. No, really, dude. And that's not jammy talking either. Yeah.
I just need him out of my class so I can have a chance.
I know, dude, right? That looks bed space. You better put something good back there, dude.
Yeah, I have mine.
Like a sofa,
I was thinking a mattress.
Mattress, yeah. You're gonna have to edit that part, right?
Keep that down.
You back down it?
Yep.
Yeah, Frank back
Yep.
down it, and Joe pulled up and hung the back set of tires off the back.
And Charlie jumped it, just completely
Yeah.
jumped it, dude. He was amazing. He did like a pirouette in the air. You do that same
Oh, you
thing
mean like
too?
you did over here with
Yeah,
the...
yeah. There you go, dude. You got this. There, like butter.
I hit one of these gates. I forget which one it was.
The one you want to hit right now?
Probably.
Mike went through clear.
Did he?
Mike
But,
did it.
but he didn't
Clear.
go up. He
went nose first.
digged and
Dig.
turned it.
You dig?
I don't dig.
You don't have dig yet?
Not yet. We're going to try to unlock the rear
Uh-huh.
and see if I can.
What about backing down?
Yeah, you can back down.
But Joe's different. He wants to hit flags. There it goes. Oh no, you got it. Ooh. No, that
Wow.
back is gonna hit, dude. I guarantee
That
you.
back end's going to get it. What fucking.
Yeah. Unless by miracles of Mark, he will clear it. No,
It
you're
does
hitting
have a
it
little
right
bit of
now.
a
You're hitting
lean.
it. Don't. No, you're still gonna hit it, dude.
Yeah.
There you go. Thank you.
Still got it.
Good. I'm glad my day's made now. Yes. Next you roll call the boat. He's happy now. Oh, you tagged that one too.
I think that was the one I hit when I was actually in the comp. I didn't hit those. I hit one over here. I think this is the one I actually hit.
That's because you're focusing on the boobs. Boobs.
That had your distraction off.
Yeah, man. You know they did it on purpose. Yep. There it is.
That was the same exact spot I got hung up at.
Now, dude. I know I drank two of these. I would never drink these normally, dude. But that's the only thing that's making my hunger go away. Is the sugar high. Joe messaged Big Concepts and told him he wants to make a Keep 6 under his name called the Keep 6, so he can get credit for it. So he can get royalty fees.
Awesome.
So he can get royalty fees on it. So But I messaged Jay Constant back and told him that Joe owes me at least 3 trucks of royalties, and he better not get nothing for that. So he pays me for it.
Call it the Exo Caged
Yeah,
Creep
that's right.
6.
Now that I'm an Exo Cage team driver, I might have to change my email.
Yeah, he's gonna be driving my own truck.
I know, dude.
I'm gonna try this differently this time.
What? Charlie
I
did a
went down-
backflip on the way down, dude.
Did he?
Yep.
Well, I went down forward before and I actually cleared it.
I think a lot of people are backing down it pretty smoothly, though. Exactly like that. Exactly.
So there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoy the video. 6x6s, you know, I don't own one, but man, I gotta say, they do a really good job. It's amazing for how long those trucks are, how well they actually do, you know, with theirs. And Mike's rig actually has dig in it, so he was able to use dig to some degree, and Joe's currently does not have dig in it. So his was pretty much a TRX6 with the creep body that he made on it, and it doesn't really have a whole lot extra to it. So hope you enjoy what you see today, guys. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe. And until next time,